Game Season 3.
Yeah.
With six episodes on Netflix, of course.
Yes.
And just a disclaimer, no, parang sabihin na lang natin na this is not a spoiler-free episode of Usapang Hallyu. So for those na ayaw ma-spoil kung ano mga nangyari dyan.
Oo, kasi dami naming feelings, guys. So talagang I
parang,
don't think we can't help na i-limit yung
yes,
sarili namin. So this will really be
exactly.
not a spoiler-free episode.
Okay?
Yan.
Ayun na, sinabi na namin.
You're warned.
You are warned. This is not a spoiler-free episode. We will discuss it. At gusto namin talagang himayin kung ano yung mga nangyari. Ano yung feels namin sa mga nangyari sa mga favorite characters natin, of course, just sa Squid Game. At dun sa mga kinaiinisan natin. Ayun,
Sobra!
yung mga players we love to hate nga, di ba? Sabi
Oo.
natin. Iisa-isahin natin yan tonight.